What? Alright, in today's video we're going to show you how to weld the differential of a transaxle. This is a 6-speed off of a Poolon XT right there, our little mud mower. First things first, we're going to vacuum all the crud out of it because you don't want to be working with dirty material. Ain't that right, Cal? That's on blow.
Good.
All right, next thing we're gonna do is take off this pulley right here. The easiest way to do this is with a pair of pliers. If you don't have the snap ring pliers, you can just use a regular pair, pry them off like that, and just like that.
Might be harder on different transaxles.
Look how dirty that is. Yeah. Gross.
All right, 10 mil on impact, and then you're just gonna go along. Take out every single one of these bolts.
Put them in this container right there. Can't lose them. And don't forget there's always 2 in the middle, eh? Oh, I always forget those ones. Should crack right open.
Yep, original ones. If you haven't accessed the inside of it yet, you use an axe and just wedge it in there and kick it open.
Yeah, the steel's pretty hard to break on some of these, especially if they're older.
Yeah, this one was.
Oh, we should drain the oil first before we open it in. Oh no, that's like mud. We don't need to drain that at all. All right, sweet. Now we're gonna...
So this here is your differential. It basically spins one side at a time. And if you spin it from here, it's going to spin that one backwards.
So we want to weld these gears on the inside right there. Weld in the corners.
See, if this one is still, like if I hold this and I just push it, it's going to spin that gear. But if I was to do both, it'll spin both. If I was spinning the axle, it'll spin that one backwards. Wonderful thing.
Yeah. Not when you're trying to go through off-road terrain though, eh? No. Alright, so now you're going to clean inside every single tooth so that the weld stays sturdy. Doesn't have to be perfect, eh? But the better you can get it, the better the weld's going to hold. Alright, we're actually going to try some brake cleaner.
Kind of works.
Good. Yeah, that works well. That should be clean enough for that one.
Obviously, this is a messy process.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Don't
Don't do that.
That's probably clean. You only need to clean the teeth, eh?
You have to pick your spots because...
Yeah.
This guy. God, we're low. Alright, there you go. Nice and clean.
Oh yeah. Alright. Alright. Now you see where we're gonna weld?
Right here, then we'll flip it and do the other side as well.
Make sure to get in the cracks as much as you can and try not to get the weld like past here. You don't want it to jam up.
Oop,
oh yeah.
Mask wasn't down.
Hold on, stop for a second. Let's put some cardboard to make sure nothing gets in here. Alright, we got it covered up so no sparks get in there because you don't want little bits of metal in there.
Yeah, that's not very good.
There's our first weld, that's pretty good. Beauty.
This is a flexible. It's not gas. It's not.
$170 master pen. That's what this is.
It's alright.
Yep, there's our second weld. That'll hold. Let's get her turned over. Alright.
Grease and oil all over that, but we're gonna do it anyways.
Yeah, wait. I gotta cover this up so we don't get any stuff in there. Good. Alright. Why are you welding over there?
And that's why you don't want to get bits inside of your grease.
Yeah. We'll scoop that all out. We'll clean out under there.
If it ever catches fire on that, it means that you didn't clean it well enough.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, it's working.
that's great. Now I'm also gonna weld all of that into there.
Awesome. Do a little bit like right there, I think. I think I'll try and get the inside of the gear.
The inside?
Yeah, go from like here in. Oh yeah. Looks about right, eh?
That's done.
Oh, I can see a bunch of empty space in there though. You don't want any empty space between the gears. Here, let me do a little bit of Cal. Grease all over my.
You want to swap seats?
No, I'm gonna get it from here.
Wait. Aren't we only supposed to do one side of it?
We are.
Oh, I see.
Inside. That looks pretty good there. This is not a.
Yeah, that whole gear is hot. At the top a bit more?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, it looks good.
You get this side a little bit more too.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
Yeah. Oh my god. You alright?
God!
Oh shit, I'm sorry, Cal.
Ouch. Yeah, alright, that's good enough.
Alright, so let's take this apart and scoop out all the shit that's in there. Awesome. All welded up. You could probably weld it like this if you wanted to, but I think it's already good.
Yeah, I think it's done.
Yep. Alright. You want to get this? Should we dunk this in the water?
No, don't.
Are you sure?
Well, if we weren't going to clean it with water, then why would we dunk it in water?
Let's clean it with some brake cleaner. Do you think a brake cleaner will catch fire?
The brake cleaner? Yes, it will catch fire. This will be spectacular if it does.
There's like none in there. Alright, let's wipe her down. Maybe hit it with a wire brush.
Doesn't need it. Well, I say that we just clean out that transaxle. Got my paper towel. With this hot gear. Because it's, I think it's brass and it's super heat conductive. So anything that the welder is near, it will heat up.
Alright, Cal, I'm gonna set this right here, right?
This here sludge is just grease and oil, which means it'll burn nice and good.
We'll take it on a test drive after, eh, Cal?
Sure will. We're going
mudding.
not mudding.
Off-roading.
Yeah. And we'll do some drifts to see if it does any good.
Oh yeah, it definitely will. It'll do a lot better. You can probably drop it into 6th and it'll just slide.
Yeah.
That's good. Did you clean out the inside of this?
No.
Is it still hot?
Yeah. Oh, she's boiling. That grease is hot. Oh. Real professional.
Yeah.
Yeah. Damn it.
Premium, eh? Ooh, premium.
Alright, let's take it back to this transaxle then. Slides in just like that. Goes over there. And this goes on to here.
There we go.
Nice.
That's the.
Should we take it back into the shop?
Yeah.
Alright.
To the garage.
Oh my god,
That's good, eh? Motor oil and grease is what you want to put in your transaxle.
Yeah.
The motor oil cools it and the grease lubricates it pretty well. Right. The final bit.
It's backwards.
It is backwards. Alright, finally got it back on there. So I'm gonna start throwing these bolts into place so they can be impacted down.
There you go. Now that you got all those impacted down, you go find Reed to see where he put that snap ring. Because I don't know where he put it. Let's see if this will line up. Oh yeah. Alright, where'd you put the snap ring?
Where'd you put the snap ring? I hate snap rings so much.
I like them. Here, I go.
Beauty. We got a welded diff. Look at that, both
Spinning.
both spinning.
When I spin this one this way, I can't spin it that way.
It's too greasy. It's also in 6th gear, I think.
No, it's in neutral.
No, it's in 6th because it's spinning when I turn this. And when I unbolted this, it put it up to 6th. Let's get it back on the mower. All right, we just finished getting on the transaxle. 2 bolts there. There's a bolt for the shifter. Yeah, right there. Oh shit. There's 2 bolts there and then 1 bolt there that hold up the transaxle.
What's this?
Oh, that's linkage for the shifter. It's fine. Now for the wheels. Don't forget your spacers. All right, 2 washers. Spacer ring. Now the wheel goes on. Don't worry about the key just yet. There we go. All right, now washer and a clip. Where'd you put your
It's in the cup holder. Sorry, the beer holder.
Okay.
Go. Cap to make it look pretty.
Oh, it's raining again, eh? Oh, you forgot your spacers, eh? Kind of helps to jiggle the wheel while you put that on, eh? That's what I do with mine.
Like jiggling it?
Yeah, jiggle it, go to side a little bit. Mint. Beauty.
All right, let's take it for
Take her for a test drive. Oh, wait, we forgot, Kale, the belt. Very last thing to do. Start her up, Kale. Let's hear that exhaust. Beauty. Oh, quarter. Let's take her for a rip. See, it turns fine. Way better. Oh my god. Look, this is on fire because the exhaust. That's a great way to start an engine fire. There must be an exhaust leak, eh? But see if you can do like a full drift, like do a whole like 180.
Oh yeah, I'll try.
Oh, they're fine. All right, let's see it. Oh my god! Oh no! Caleb, back it up! Back it up, just floor it, floor it! Floor it! Oh my god! What a machine! Let's hook up the trailer, Kale. Let's hook up the trailer. We'll hook up the trailer now, eh? That thing fucking rips. All right, let's do some bushwhacking. Let's connect up the two trails that we made.
So where are we going then?
Connect the two trails that we made.
Where are we going then?
In there, in the first one. In the first one and then go out to the second one.
Where?
That one, and then connect it to the other one that we made. That's awesome. I'm getting bit by ants. Whoa. Oh, you stalled it. Oh, shit. It carried on through that ditch, eh?
Hey, we're going a bit quick.
Oh, that's fucking funny. It clears through now, eh?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Oh, you found the red ants?
No, they're black ants.
Oh. All right, Kale. Straighten out. We'll back up a little bit more. All right, look at it, like sideways.
Take a seat, boy.
All right.
Try not to stall it this time. It's probably gonna backfire when I start it.
Yeah.
It's probably angry.
Yeah. Oh, no. It liked it. I do. We're making it up the ditch. I do. We're making it up the ditch. Oh, it made it. It made it. Hey.
Why did you say
All right. Alright, we just locked up the front axle, so we got some bolts and impacted them down into the fucking metal.
Like wood screws.
Yeah, like wood screws. One there and one there. So the axle's not locked up, so it won't wobble side to side anymore, and we'll have a lot more stability. I still won't have very much stability.
Where are we going?
Into the off-road spot again. Oh my god. swinging out. What happened? That's so fucked. What happened to it? Oh, is this? Did it snap?
Oh, it's just bent to shit.
Oh,
It bent the steering arm.
God damn it. Well, it's bent. Let's try and hit some drifts because the trailer drifts now, eh?
Yeah, okay.
Just go straight forwards and then turn. Not on the road. No. Whoa! It swings. Here, try it on the road. See, it's fine. Oh shit! Don't go down there. Kale, don't go down there. Oh. Yo, you fucked us now. I told you don't go down there. This is all swamp. Shit.
A weird noise, Reed.
Yeah, because it came to a complete stop, you fucking retard. Why'd you send it down there? How are we gonna get it out?
I thought it was all this.
No, it's not. It's all swamp. You're okay. We're gonna have to take it like down there and then come out on an angle. It'll be fine.
Well, how will we unhook the trailer? Let's see if it starts first. 'Cause I don't know if it blew up or not.
It should be fine. You didn't hit this, did you?
Nope.
Oh, thank God.
No, I saw that and I was like, oh shit, we're fucked.
Yeah, you're gonna have to go past all this and then around and up.
I'll just go like a big U-E.
Make sure it doesn't start a fire, eh?
Okay, well, unhook the trailer.
Alright. You got a snail. Give her gas. I'll tell you what, we wouldn't have made it out with a welded or without a welded diff.
Oh, fire! You fucking shit. Neutral. Thank you.
We wouldn't have made it out
Without a welded diff.
without a welded diff.
It's doing this weird thing where it's, I'll put it here
Yeah?
and then put it into neutral and it'll still be in reverse.
The shifter linkage is so bad.
Now it's in neutral. Think.
Yeah. Alright. Let's get this thing back on. You want to bring it over there? I'll put the hitch on.
Oh, she's.
Alright.
Hey, baby, you can do this.
You got this Tractor John. Tractor John, eh? Or, Tractor Tom, yeah. Whoa! Oh my God! It swings out so much. Holy fuck. Oh my God. That is... Look at the fucking... Oh my God. Whoa. Don't swing it too far because you'll hit right there. It's so fucked.
That's something to fix.
Yeah, I guess so. Oh my God. This thing is so fucked. Like they're completely towed out. Look. Look at that.
Swing on. Is it?
That's fun though, eh?
Even worse.
That's so brutal.
It's like 30 degrees either way.
It's got a lazy eye.
Alrighty.
It's chewing up the feel the tire is hot. Feel it.
I imagine it's hot. I'm doing a burnout. Ow.
That's awesome. All right, let's fix that up. Should we do our conclusion here, Cal? I say we end the video here.
Alright, so we welded the diff and we welded the front steering, I guess.
We bolted it up, yeah, and we broke the back steering. Yeah, hope everyone enjoyed the video.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe to Lawnmowers and Lemonade.
That's our channel name, man.
Listen to it cool down.